developers, they know that there's a herd mentality in this country. And just like with the rally that we had since November of 2016 when Trump won, that 30% growth in the stock market, $6 trillion. Ever wonder where that goes? That $6 trillion? Well, first of all, why did we go up $6 trillion? Earnings didn't go up. I mean, profits didn't go up that much. Profits of companies did not go up that much. Not at all. Growth, we've had no growth. So how did the stock market add $6 trillion? It's all psychological. It was all psychological. You're investing into psychology, and you hear these people. I mean, listen to Maria Bartiromo. Listen to her. There she is again. The same one, everything's on fire, everything's on fire. The stock market is a measure of perceived value of companies as it reflects what people, you and me, are willing to pay for their shares at any given point in time. And the economy is different. The economy is a basic principle of supply and demand. If you have a product, how much demand is for that product? You ever see this guy with the pillows? The demand he's got to be tremendous. The pillow guy, amazing what he built. The demand, that's demand. So what drives demand? Is the psychology, is the emotion. And stock market is all emotion. And when they try to connect and tell you that the stock market and the economy are the same, that's a bold-faced lie. The idea is to get people emotional. Because again, the stock market is a measure of the perceived value of companies. It's the perception. And boy, the perception was, we better buy stock. We better get going here. Trump just won. Remember, it was Trump gets elected, the market was going to go down? Then, boy, once Trump got elected, these tax cuts, and they're going to repeal Obamacare and the infrastructure, and the market goes up 30%. $6 trillion of wealth was added. Since 2008, we had $126 trillion of wealth that was added. Go try to find it. Where is it? Just take the last $6 trillion. Since the night Trump was elected to the last day of 2017. Go find it. Where is it? Is it in your pocket? It's not in mine. And that's why so many people say, I don't understand. This economy's so great. Everything's so great, the economy. I don't understand. I don't feel it.
And business is on notice. You got what you wanted. Now you have to invest in America.
What an idiot, Varney. You got what you wanted. You got to invest in America. So I'm a CEO of a company. I get a tax break. So at the end of the year, instead of paying, instead of paying $1 million in taxes, I only pay $500,000 in taxes. So what do you want me to do, Varney? You want me to take the $500,000 in taxes and go out and hire 50 people? You want me to go and buy new machinery? Why the hell would I do that? That's not how it works. I want to see if there's demand for my product. And with the economy growing at 1.8%, it's been growing at 1.8% for 9 years, I don't think there's any demand. They just love talking. I mean, listen to what he says, this idiot.
And business is on notice. You got what you wanted. Now you have to invest.
Oh, I do? I've got to invest? Why? Why do I have to go and invest in machinery and people when there is no more demand than there was before the calendar turned its page? It's amazing, isn't it? It's just crazy. And by the way, we keep talking about growth, economic growth. We're going to grow like Varney here. Go out and invest in your company. We give you the tax credit, so you go out now and buy new machinery and hire people, even though there's no more demand for your product. Well, we want growth. Well, I hate to tell you, growth doesn't always work. That's right. Growth doesn't always work. Sometimes growth can be bad. Because everyone thinks that economic growth means, oh, more jobs. No, sometimes economic growth kills jobs. That's right. Economic growth can kill jobs. That's amazing. And most people don't even know that. Because companies, remember what they do. They got this constant drive, right? You keep hearing it. Like what he just said. You take that tax break you made, that extra money, and we want you to take that and put it in capital investment to increase productivity. Which productivity is about economic growth is the same thing. Productivity is economic growth. Because it requires me or manufacturers to keep cutting my costs and try to make profits and all that. But again, when you keep this thing of, okay, we want economic growth, we're going to give you a tax cut, you take the money, you put it into that capital investment to increase productivity, well, guess what? A lot of the people are the manufacturers and business, they cut costs. They cut their material costs, their direct material costs. They always have to cut those costs. The big cut they always make is direct labor costs. They always cut their factory overhead or office overhead. So sometimes this drive to take this tax money and to put it into capital investment to increase productivity doesn't always guarantee growth, because manufacturers and other companies, the first thing they look at is to keep cutting costs. And with our population growing the way it has in the last 36 years, we can't put everybody back to work. And also, not only that, but companies are today, you have robotics, you have such technology, there is going to be a continuing group of people that are just not going to be able to get a job. So it's not that easy. They tried it. Remember, they tried it with quantitative easing. They've tried growth going from 1.8% to 3% with quantitative easing. Remember that? They put in $6 trillion into the stock market to drive it up, thinking, oh boy, then when stocks get up real high, CEOs are going to be all fired up. They're going to go and they're going to buy new equipment and increase productivity and put people on. It didn't happen. And zero interest rates. We didn't get growth out of that either. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang radio show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, people we're talking about how people get confused with the stock market and the economy. When they look at the stock market, they think the economy's doing well. Well, the stock market has nothing to do with the economy anymore. It used to. It used to when we were just selling goods in the United States and we weren't global. But since we went global, the economy, you know, we go globally, and we're not just selling goods in the United States. When we just sold our cars here in the United States and all our washing machines in the United States, yes, then the economy, then the stock market did reflect the economy. The more washing machines you sold, the more cars you sold, the stocks of those companies would go up and it would reflect the United States economy. It was one. But when you go globally, it all goes away. And here's another thing people don't understand. This stock market is a casino now. There's no more fundamentals. People who think, if you think your broker or anyone buys a stock for you based on the fundamentals of the company, you got to be out of your mind. Fundamentals, those have been gone for years. Ever since they've taken this market and set it up where it's engineered. Like example, take the quantitative easing. Think about what they did. They kept interest rates at historic lows starting in 2008, right up to where we are today. 1.5% isn't a big interest rate. You don't think they're going to keep borrowing money, these companies, to buy their own stock at 1.5%? Of course they are. And that's where the danger is. We did not raise our rates fast enough. Greenspan raised them 17 times in 2 years to 5%. On B in the same 2-year period, raised, I think, 5 times to 1.5%. You got to stop this. You got to get these rates up to stop the stock market, these stock buybacks. Now, it's tremendous. You can make a tremendous amount of money, and if people are not in the stock market, got to be crazy. By keeping these interest rates low, the Fed's driven, they print money and they drive it towards the stocks. So they drop rates to near zero, or even at 1.5% now. They keep driving the money to the stock market because it's the only place where you can get a decent return. And once the Fed actually does raise rates, the stock market then will return to fundamentals. And then we'll have less psychology and more economics. But right now, it's all psychology. It's all listening to Maria Bartiromo and all these people. It's all psychology. That's amazing.
And that all these companies that are giving all these benefits to their workers and coming out publicly $1,000 and we're raising the minimum wage, in some respects, maybe that's a little cover for when they buy back their shares and they don't get all that criticism because they took care of their people first.
Yeah, what they're doing, companies giving little pieces of crumb. They don't want to look like the bad guys. So these companies who get, let's say, a $10 million, they have $10 million at the end of the year, more than they otherwise would have, because they don't have to pay that $10 million in taxes. So they take $500,000 of the 10, not even that much, about let's say $250,000 of the $10 million, and they give it to their employees, so they're good guys. So that will mask when they take the rest of that money, let's say $9.5 million, and they do stock buybacks. Now, the only reason they're going to do the stock buybacks instead of plowing it back into the companies, where, once again, you increase productivity and you increase wages, they're going to take that. They're not going to do that. They're going to take it and plow it back into the stock because, first of all, CEOs' compensation are tied to stock. But as long as there's easy money like this, 0 to 1.5%, 0 to even 2%, they'll continue to take and do stock buybacks to drive the market. Now it's up to Varney, it's up to Maria Bartiromo, it's up to these people on CNBC and Fox to convince you that the economy's doing terrific. But people are still working paycheck to paycheck. But they're going to convince you, as long as they keep the interest rates near zero or to 1.5% where they are now, and companies keep borrowing that money to buy stocks. And remember, when those stocks go up, where did the $6 trillion go? I asked that question in the opening show. Where did $6 trillion go, the value that increased from the day Trump was elected to the last day of 2017? Where did that money go? Not one bit of it trickled down to Main Street. Because that's not the system. That's not how the system works. Remember, the owners of this country set up the system so that money goes from the hard-working people, the middle-class people, up to them. It's reversed. They set the system where everything goes up to them. Instead of when they make $6 trillion by doing stock buybacks and stocks go up all that money, none of it goes to the folks. So if you see GE stock go up from $10 to $30, where'd that money go? Where is it? Did you ever think about it? It's not going to you. First of all, more than half the people don't even own stocks. But this money is, the system has been designed so the money doesn't reach Main Street anymore. So we got a casino here that only a few people play in. The very wealthy. And because they do that, it reduces wage growth. It weakens the dollar. It means imports are more expensive. That's squeezing the middle class. When they go to Home Depot, they got to pay more. They go to Costco, they got to pay more. Our savings are reduced because of it, which in turn hurts small businesses because small business go to savings banks, to small banks to try to borrow money to expand their business, to hire people. It destroys the economy from within. It's unbelievable. There is nothing good about these low rates, but we keep them there because a very few people are owners. That's what the system's about. They make the money. Well, you're going to join the gang, and you're going to. I'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Here is the number that you need, okay, to make a difference in your financial life. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. It's $39.95. Join the gang, and why don't you start out with our program that's so successful, it's incredible. It's for people who say, I don't want to do anything, I just want to make money. I don't want to learn because I don't have time. And that's what this program's about. Every day I do a video, and I redo the videos all during the day, 24 hours a day. We redo the videos. For example, we bought gold when our chart, our MV2 chart, it showed us the institution buyers were coming in and buying gold, AU. It went up over 10%. It showed the institutional investors were getting out, and we got out. And guess what? It pulled all the way back. If you stayed in, you would have lost all the gains.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who's also been an entrepreneur all his life. He's used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up to the minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month. PhilsGang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to PhilsGang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, PhilsGang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This is a wonderful season. Please have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to remember St. Jude Hospital.
And I really mean this sincerely. We've done a lot together, such amazing partners to us, and just promoting it and letting me come on. It's all part of the giving spirit to help kids around the country. And I know, as grateful as I am, I know how grateful the moms and dads are. So we can't thank you enough for giving us the time. You've always been a great supporter of ours.
Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxFest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Let's go make some money.
The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxFest 1000 stock charts.
Remember the stock market, why it's going up. Because our owners, the 1 percentile of the 1%, has driven money to stocks. They're in charge. They own the printing machine. As long as they keep driving money to the stock market, it's going to go up. And the stock market is the only place you can get a decent return. But you got to stop thinking about the fundamentals of the market. Do I buy this company because it's doing this, or buy the company because it's doing that, or they may be merging with the other company? Those days are over. Those days are gone. Stocks no longer go up because one company has decided to design something and they cut a contract in France, and then, oh, gee, that would reflect in the news, and people would come in and buy a stock because of that. That's called the fundamental. Okay, they got this new product. They're going to ship it to France. They made a deal with some French companies going to distribute it years ago. That would go up. The stock would go up on that news. Stocks don't go up on that news anymore. Stocks don't go up on fundamentals. We're not going to return back to fundamentals, so why are you listening to these stockbrokers? That's all they deal with is fundamentals. Once the Fed actually raises rates seriously to 5%, then you can go back to fundamentals. Then the psychology is out of the market. And we never saw so much psychology as from this November 2016 to the end of December 2017. Market goes up 30%, all psychological, all because Trump is going to do these great tax cuts all day, every day. That's all you heard. Tax cuts, tax cuts, tax cuts. Terrific. Stocks are going to go up 10%, 20% because of tax cuts. In the meantime, the stock market's going up 30%. They're telling the people because of the tax cuts, the stock market's going to go up, the actual stocks are going to go up 10%. But while they were promoting it, the stocks are going up 30%. So here's the stocks going up 30% while they're telling people it's going to go up 10%. The psychology got far ahead of the fundamentals. The psychology got even ahead of the analysts. Look where the PE ratio is now. What is a PE ratio? PE ratio is nothing more than what they predict that a stock is going to look like in the future, what you are willing to pay for in the future. But remember, That's when we used to have what they call price discovery. You and I would dip back and forth with each other. We would just compete with each other for price discovery. We'd battle it out. There's no more price discovery. What a beautiful thing. There's no more price discovery. We don't have to keep pushing it back and forth and negotiating it and all that. No, because as long as interest rates are low, the Fed keeps rates very low. 1.5% is very low. They got the printing machine. They print it. They take more money, and then they give it to the banks, and the banks overnight give it to their special customers, what we call the institutional customer. That's right, the institutional customer, the banks, the insurance companies, the pension funds, the hedge funds, the REITs, the investment advisors, the endowments, and mutual funds, all the crooks. They get that special money you and I can't get. They get it at real low rates. They take the money the next day, and they buy the stocks. So the stock is going up, up, up. But what's the reason behind it? There's nothing behind it. There's no fundamentals behind it. So why aren't you in the market? So what I did, I decided to take and develop a software program. First, I designed it because I said, people, the retail customer in this industry, the whole wide industry, dropped from 65% down to like 42% after the stock market crashed in 2008. They said, I had it, I don't want to be in stocks anymore, and they got out. And the reason they got out, they want to be in, but I find out the reason they don't go in because they are afraid they're never going to get out. And why is that? Well, they're right to be afraid because the gangsters, the crooks, the 401k people keep you in. They will never let you out in time. You will never, ever get out of your 401k in time because it's designed that way. It's the same thing as Trump said, the tax cuts were for the middle class. How can that be? When the system is designed by our owners to reward those who already have money and assets. Are you kidding? The free market, the economic model they designed, takes wealth from the poor, the middle class, and it gives it up to the rich. It's reversed now. 8% of Americans only enjoy the $6 trillion increase in value of the stock market from the night Trump got elected to the last day of 2017. Only 8% of Americans are getting a portion of that $6 trillion. The richest 1% own 48% of that $6 trillion value increase. And how it went up to $6 trillion had not had a damn thing to do with what these companies do. And you're not in the market. This is nuts. So I said to you, and I'm saying to you every day, please join my gang, join my video. Okay? And now when you join Phil's gang, I have what we call a video stock. What I do is I take one stock a night, sometimes two. And the last one I did was ABX Gold. Okay, ABX Gold. And I said, follow me, follow my video, only do what I say in the video. How easy. So you go to philsgang.com, you click on where it says MV2 stock video. Click it on, and there I am telling you, like I'm going to say tonight in the video, ABX. ABX is now up over, let's see, I'll give you the number. Give me this, JR, from 1368 to 1524. So I'll say to you, okay, and I'll show you. I'll say ABX is up 11%. Now, if you can see the momentum, I will tell you when to add to our position. Tonight, we are not going to add. We did not add today during the day. Next time you come to the video, I may be saying, okay, we just added to ABX. So you now can go ahead and add. And I'll say to you, don't add a lot, or go ahead and you can add what you want. I guide you. I tell you, it's the video. It's so simple. You haven't got to know anything about the stock. You haven't got to learn anything. You haven't got to do anything. You just got to go to Phil's Gang, click on where it says MV2 Video Stock and listen and do it. And then I'll tell you, okay, we're going to, like the other day, I said to everybody, we got gold stocks right now that we're up almost 40% in some of them. And I said to them yesterday, I said, I want everybody to take most of their shares off, because I believe we're going to have a little pullback for the next couple of days. And I said, we'll just keep a small group, a small amount of shares. We call it Scout on. Well, guess what happened? I was dead right. So now the gold stocks are pulling back today. I said they would, and now they are. And now I say to them, okay, like with ABX, I'll say, when it's at 1544, we'll add. There's no way you can go wrong. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Join the gang. Now, look, for $39.95, you got all my services. You can come to class, you get all the updates, you get everything all day long. But for those who are so busy, this is so ideal for you. For the person who says, I want to make money without doing anything. Well, you have to do something. You have to put your finger on the board to open up my site to get in there. That may be a little too much, but I haven't figured out how I can anything easier. Here's my number, 877-600-GANG. Join. Get your video tonight.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time, real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. With my video, my MV2 video, I put on a few days ago GE, and I also put on UNG as a gas stock, UNG. It was one of the video stocks. I put it on, and I tell you when to buy it. I tell you when to get out. Well, I did. I told people to start buying UNG on my video around $5.25. Some got in at $5.34, some got in at $5.42, but in that area, I said you could buy. It went up to $6.02. That's a 14% gain. That's a 14% gain. I said yesterday, I want you to now take most of your profits, just leave a couple shares on, but take most of your profits. We're going to have a pullback. And guess what? It dropped today. So I told them when to get in. I told them yesterday, time to take money off. I said it's going to drop. And guess what happened today? It dropped. When was the last time someone did a video for you in your 401k and sent you a video of your stocks in your 401k and said, here's where you get in. Here's where I want you to add to your position. Here's where I want you to take some stock off now because it's going to go down, or run like hell. You never heard that from anybody. Well, that's what the video program is about. Try it for just 1 month. 1 month. $39.95. Try it. And just follow what I say. We did that with gold, GDX, that's up 11%. ABX, 11%. UNG's up 16%. These were all these stocks under a video. So easy. Now, I'm not saying every gang member made that kind of return. Of course not, because gang members get in a little later, a little earlier. The key is I treat every individual stock, I put it on a video, I treat it like a profit center. I treat it like we're running a business. UNG was like a business. ABX is like its own individual business. GDX, own individual business. It's on the video. I'm going to do another video tonight, and I tell you exactly what to do. You don't have to learn anything. You don't have to go to class. You don't have to know nothing. Just when I do the video, do exactly what I say. Buy it, add to your position, take some off, sell it, or run like hell. It's that easy. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call, 877-600-GANG. Try it for a month. You will see I will make a difference in your financial life. You'll get back engaged in the stock market. You got to be out of your mind if you're not going back into the stock market. Because this market, he's going to double it from 25,000 to 50,000. That's his goal. That's his goal. Because that's all he cares about is the stock market. Any president tells you the stock market is going to keep going up, up, and up, and you're not in the market? What are you, nuts? The one thing I can assure you is you'll be out if something happens. If he's wrong, because nobody's bigger than the market, China could take him down, because the more the dollar gets weaker, the weaker the dollar, which is getting so weak, it will disturb the global economy. And when you disturb the global economy, which a weak dollar does, it will take down the stock markets all over the world. All you want to do is ride this horse until that happens, and you want me to point out when we're in a stock for you to get out. It's time for us to get out. And it's a video every day. And the video is 24 hours a day. Go on it anytime you want. It's like having your own personal coach. And you'll see it works. All right. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. They are waiting for your call. This is ridiculous. Listen to this.
Announcing that we're introducing articles of impeachment to remove President Trump from office.
He's the deflector in chief.
It is totally fraudulent.
Presidency thus far has been total flop.
No one is above the law.
Between you and me, I don't think he was honest.
What he's doing.
Wait a minute. What about Trump? I mean, what about Obama? If anyone should have been impeached, he should have been. I never saw two men so different, Trump and Obama. When you look back at Trump, look back at his year in office, we have a lot to be proud of. Unlike Obama, we had a lot to be ashamed of. Obama was lazy by his own admission. He was one of the laziest presidents we ever had.
Laziness.
You're lazy?
I think there's a laziness.
He's lazy. Barack Hussein Obama, he was a closet radical Muslim and a Marxist whose hero was Mao Zedong. Obama, he was, remember, a bit of a coward. He was an appeaser. He lacked a moral compass. He went around the world in his first year giving billions of dollars to his enemies, apologizing for the greatness of our country, for America's might. He was a coward. Obama, know why he did that? Obama did that because he had hope. He was hoping his enemies would sit around desert campfires singing songs and telling stories about Barack Hussein Obama for decades to come. That's why he did it. Yeah, he thought maybe if I just go to them, I give you billions of dollars, they'll sing songs about me. They'll tell stories about me around their campfires. Their desert campfires with the overhanging scent of a desert tent and a camel's poop. That's what he thought about. That's what he thought about. Now, President Trump, this guy, he's not without bad. Of course, he's done some bad things. But fundamentally, he's a good guy. President's most fundamental legal and moral responsibility is to uphold and protect our system of government. Obama didn't do that. He and Eric Holder didn't do that. He and Eric Holder spit on it. They didn't even file the Constitution. America has had its share of good and bad presidents. We know that. But Donald Trump has risen higher than anything this nation has ever experienced in less than a year. He has underpinned the core institutions and values of our republic. We have never before had a president whose character was so in line with the ideals of the republic. Whereas Obama and his sidekick, Eric Holder, characters were so contrary to the ideals of the republic. Obama and Eric Holder didn't have a moral compass between them. They couldn't find one between them. They wouldn't know what one was if they tripped over it. Trump, on the other hand, unlike Obama, is a moral rallying post. Obama once drew a line in the Syrian sand. Remember that? He drew a line in the Syrian sand and told the leaders of Syria there would be severe consequences if they crossed that line. Obama showed his cowardness. He kept moving the line back each time there was a threat from the Syrian leaders. Trump, he was just the opposite. He showed leadership. He showed courage when hearing about Syria using chemical weapons to kill their own people and to kill the Christians. Without any hesitation or confirmation of the chemical weapons, Trump showed great courage, and he hit Syria with missiles. And then Trump showed more courage by dropping a mega bomb on Afghanistan. He showed more courage when he helped the Saudi Arabians destroy Yemen. And he also didn't hesitate to expand the U.S. military occupation in Africa. All of those things is what Obama, he was a coward. For 8 years he hesitated. For 8 years he decided to work on taking our freedom away from us. On socialism. But one thing he did do, he made sure the stock market would go up every day. Obama did do that, doing quantitative easing, keeping interest rates low. And if you didn't take it, that's one good thing he did. Now, I'm not saying Trump's an angel. Trump promised to close the special interest loopholes for Wall Street hedge funds. He lied. He didn't. Trump said he would bring down the drug prices by making deals with drug companies. He lied. It didn't happen. Trump promised a complete ban on foreign lobbyists of raising money for American elections. He lied. It never happened. Trump said the tax cuts for corporations would jumpstart the economy, would grow by $5 trillion, and sustain the growth in the GDP from 1.8% for the last 8 years to now 3%, up to 4.5% for the next 10 years. And the tax cuts would pay for themselves. It was nothing but a lie. He lied. Trump lied. He knew that Reagan in 1981 and Bush in 2001, those tax cuts never worked. So why would he say that? He's not without fault. I'm not saying he doesn't have fault. This is nuts. Go impeach him. Join my gang right now. Phil's gang. Get your video tonight.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that